In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from CoinSpot to TrustWallet. Before we begin, a quick reminder, crypto transfers are one way and can't be reversed, so take a moment to double check every detail as you go. Make sure TrustWallet is installed and set up, and confirm you're sending the exact same cryptocurrency on the correct network. Some coins require a memo or tag. If your asset does, you'll see it in TrustWallet alongside the address. Always include it when prompted. Start by opening your TrustWallet app. This is where you'll generate the receiving details. From the home screen, tap the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. If you don't see it listed, use the search bar to find and enable it so it appears in your wallet. Inside that assets page, tap Receive. You'll see a QR code and a long wallet address. Copy that address carefully. If the asset supports multiple networks, confirm the network in TrustWallet matches the one you intend to use from CoinSpot. Copying the wrong network address is a common mistake, so verify it now to avoid failed or lost transfers. Next, log in to your CoinSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets page. This section shows all the assets you hold on the exchange. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click the Send button. This opens the withdrawal form. In the payment address field, paste the TrustWallet address you copied earlier. For safety, compare the first and last few characters with what TrustWallet shows, and make sure the network you're using in CoinSpot matches the one you selected in TrustWallet. If your coin uses a memo or tag, enter it exactly as provided. Enter the amount you want to send. Keep in mind there may be network fees or minimum withdrawal amounts, so review the total before proceeding. If you want to test things first, you can start with a small amount and then send the rest once it arrives successfully. Click Send or Submit to continue. You'll be asked to complete two-factor authentication for security. Enter your code to approve the withdrawal. Finally, check your email for a confirmation request from CoinSpot and follow the instructions to finalize the withdrawal. Without this confirmation, your transfer may not be processed. That's it. Your transaction will now move through the network. Processing times vary by blockchain, so give it a little time. You can monitor the status in CoinSpot and watch for the balance to appear in TrustWallet. Once it arrives, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and stay safe by verifying addresses, networks, and memos every time you transfer.